Despite negative reports about Sokayis High School in Motherwell last year, the school took the #1 spot in the area with a 99.6% pass rate, followed by James Jolobe, which obtained 97.8%, a significant improvement from the 83% it recorded in 2024. The school's principal, Abe Mangangu, who has been at the school for 3 years, says they were hoping for 100%.
Siziva nje sisencotsheni yentaba nangona besingalindelanga sifumana i-disappointment encinci because abantwana bethu okokoko beqhuba kakuhle ususela kwi-first term kwade kwayotsho kwi-third term oko beqhuba kakuhle, so besinethemba kumbi kwi-third term baye bafumana 100%, so besinethemba lokuba ke sizamfumana 100% kwezi results, but ke akwenzekanga ngolo hlobo. Kodwa ke u-95%, 97% naye siyambulela kakhulu.
Mangangu says their focus was on motivating teachers so that they can get the best out of the learners.
Akukho nto extraordinary endingathi siyenzile si-staff, more than ba i-staff sam is highly charged and highly motivated. So oba bu-motivated babo buphezulu buye babangela into yoba busuleleke bantwaneni, babangela uba nabantwana babamotivated. We're doing everything that other schools are doing. Nothing extraordinary. We're doing extra classes, no strategies, nothing. But my teachers were highly charged.
Among the top achievers at James Jolobe High School is a 19-year-old Lithemba Zweli from Kamvelihle. Lithemba, who lives with his grandmother and hopes to become an engineer in the future, achieved level 7 in 3 subjects. He says all that is due to hard working.
Ndisiva ndonwabe kakhulu ngale mpumelelo ndiyenzileyo apha esikolweni, ndisenzela nam ndisenzela nesikolo. Ndiyacebisa abafundi bakwa-grade 12 balo nyaka into yobana bafunde iincwadi zabo kwangoku kusaqala unyaka.
Another top-performing school in Motherwell is Vulumzi High School, which achieved a 95.8% pass rate this year. The school's results dropped by 2.5% from last year's 98.3%. Principal Nono Kuza says the school is happy with the results.
Happy kakhulu ngezi results because besinabantwana aba-progressed abayi-28. But today siva kamnandi because abantwana bethu abatshonileyo, it's only 7 learners out of 28 progressed learners, only 7 abafeylishileyo. So yilento happy kakhulu ngezi results. Sixolile, sonwabile, siva kamnandi sisisikolo.
The Nelson Mandela Bay district recorded a pass rate of 87.4%. For Mpuma Kapa TV News, I am Sisipho Mtiki in Motherwell.